Hey guys, it's Kevin. Have you had this problem? Your Epson printhead is just going to the left and then just sleep there and take a nap, and then you get error. And Abby going to help you to figure out why.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. When you look up a 034004 error, it tells you that it's a insoluble paper jam. I looked at my printer and I saw no paper. When I pulled out my duplexer, I also saw no paper. So I thought, okay, well, the carriage is getting stuck over on that left side. Maybe I have some paper jammed on the gears on that left side. So we're going to go ahead and take off that side cover there. There's a screw on the bottom and a screw here on the top. Once you get those off, you should be able to slide off that cover, wiggle it off. All right, so I moved my carriage over. Now I'm lifting it up and I'm looking and I don't see any paper in my gears, but here is where I noticed that this one gear is missing the paper feed encoder disc. So where it is, there it is. I found it on the bottom. All right. So now that should go back onto this white gear here that has this metal in the middle, so that disc fits on it. And here's the rotary sensor. Now make sure when you put that disc back on that it fits in between the two black pieces on the rotary sensor, because when it spins, that sensor reads it, all the little notches and numbers on the disc. So it needs to be in between the two black pieces. Don't put it on the outside of it. So then I go ahead and I'm just spinning my gears to make sure that encoder disc is going to move properly when the gears spin. And so it looks like it's moving really well. And I got it to stick back on. It's not going to fall off instantly. So I'll set my printer back down and I'm going to plug it back in. And I just want to see that when my carriage comes back over, that my gears are going to turn properly. So plugged it in, turning it on, and now we're going to watch. As it comes back over, is my gears going to mess up or are they going to work? So you see it turns and the paper feed encoder disc turned and read it. So it is now sending the carriage back over to the starting position in the printer. So that was a pretty easy fix, and happy printing, everybody.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel so I can show you totally random stuff. For example, how to transfer a picture to a laser engraving. Okay, please visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.